This is Mr. Fu. I'm here to share with you the 2024, my prediction for the chemistry paper. I studied the past year papers and realized there is a trend in the paper. This year is the first year they are assessing the new syllabus. There's only minor changes with focus on more on plastic polymer, the process of depolymerization. They took out blast furnace, and for pure chemistry syllabus, GCE O level Singapore version, I would like to share my own prediction for what will be tested in this year. I'm quite confident that my prediction will be correct because I'm not going to give very specific questions, but I will give specific topics that students must study in order to do well. Okay, so for paper 1 and 2, alright, there are 6 topics that students must focus on. If you don't study these 6 topics, you will definitely fail. Okay, number 1, in order of importance, organic chemistry. Yes, in what aspect of organic chemistry? The synthesis, the properties, okay, the reactions. Make sure you remember the reagents and conditions for all organic chemical reactions. Okay, organic chemistry at least took about 20 or 25% of the whole paper, so you better study your organic chem very hard. Okay, I'm not going to state the specific concept they'll be testing, but I want you to study as a whole because they now have the tendency to repeat the same concept within a span of 2 years. So it's harder to predict what will come out, what will not come out. But I can tell you, organic chemistry, starting from the introduction all the way to depolymerization of plastic, super important. Especially the new topic they will test, okay, on how to depolymerize plastic through hydrolysis and physical method. The second important topic that you must study will be electrochemistry. Every year without fail, we have a question or 2 questions on that. Okay, it can either appear in section A or section B. Multiple choice confirm come out. So study your electrochem, simple cell, electrolytic cell, electroplating very well. The applications like copper purification, etc. Okay, so know the concept super well. Okay, try all the possible questions in my electrochem. We don't know what will come out. Okay. Number 3, periodic table. Yes, this year definitely will test, but in terms of the marks, I don't think it will test a lot of marks. But I put it as number 3 because it will confirm come out. It's not like topics like Haber process or even kinetic particle theory that may not come out at all. Okay, so periodic table super important. Know your group 1, group 17, transition metal, noble gases very well. Okay, the reactions, take note of the reactions. Number 4, acid bases and salts. It's not tested a lot last year, so I will dare to predict number 4, acid bases and salts. Okay, make sure you know salt preparation very well. Okay, because this topic is not tested in combined science, so very likely it will come out. Okay, but the weightage very hard to predict. It could be a database question or short answer questions. All right, that's why I only put it as number 4. Okay. Next, number 5, bonding and structure. Bonding and structure we cannot deny. Okay, every year we have failed a few questions on that. Just that sometimes you can have like a total of 10 marks on it. Sometimes just 5 marks or 4 marks. So study your bonding and structure very well. The 4 types don't know which one will come out. Okay. For your information, graphite and diamond, silicon dioxide not been tested for some time. Okay, last one but not the least important, heat. Thermochemistry, enthalpy change, energy profile diagram, energy level diagram. Every year they will test on energy. Okay, so I repeat, organic chem, electrochem, periodic table, acid bases, salt, bonding structure, and heat. As for the practical, it's easier to predict. This year, titration. Because for the past few years, titration not tested. Then the other 2 questions, okay, QA and or energy. Titration, QA, energy. Study these 3. Last year was speed, so I don't think speed will be tested much. Even if it tested, never mind. Just spend some time on that in case it come out a different type of question. Okay, but just practice all this. see our luck. Okay, so good luck to those taking O level this year. God bless you.